Hey, it's John from ActionHomeServices, and we just wrapped up another project. What you see here is a putting green. And a putting green is essentially a mini golf which you can have in your backyard, and it has a lot of great features. Number one, it's a maintenance-free feature which you can add. Since it's not a real grass, you could actually have this area constantly staying green year-round without you worrying about cutting this, watering, and no weeds. Secondly, you can practice your favorite golf any point of time. Third, this area is actually great for drainage. Depending on the type of foundation which is used here, putting green could actually be used to absorb a lot of water from your backyard. Number four, obviously, is you can practice your golf and your sport at any point of time. Number five, it's a great place to entertain with your kids and your family. And now if you have a really big group of people gathering in your backyard, you can actually be putting furniture on top of your putting green, be using this area as additional space for your sofas, for your chairs, for your table. You could be using this as an additional entertaining space. If you're interested in getting the golf courses done at your backyard, you know who to call.